especially if you're on your
Mommy, I think you want me to vlog more, so will I vlog today?
Yeah, we're going to...
Can I sew her hair?
So I just have all of my Korean face ones.
Oh, is this for Italy?
Yeah.
This is the one you were going to get Daddy that time, remember? I am a La Roche-Posay stan, and I'm trying to find one that would be good for Jordan, because she has dry skin. I said this one, because it's like safe for newborns, but she says she doesn't have scratchy skin, so yeah. Could someone give me like a cheap tan recommendation? Because I've been in my Beard by Vloggg era for like ages, but I'm kind of like I can't be spending that much money on tan. But then I also don't want bad tan, so maybe I should just like suck it up and pay the money. I'm in the range right now, and every time I'm in the range, I just think of that like TikToker who's like, let's see what tat is in the range, and then they go in and look at everything. There's like so much AI stuff. Where is it? It was like a Highland cow, and it was just like AI, and it's so depressing. This is also so funny to me. Look at this, pre-made garlands. This is my second time being in the drive-thru in Supermax in less than 24 hours.
Progression pot?
Yeah, when they were growing.
Yeah.
We went to bday's. I actually don't think I vlogged it all there. Oh Jesus, I probably need 2 hats to hold on to Jordan's new pot. Isn't it so cute? We're now in Billy Rats, which always has the most random section of things. But what good value? Actually, I don't even know if that's good value. This looks good. Is that like it's like a satay sauce? Oh no, never mind. It's carrot and dressing. Carrot and mustard. Willy Rat's salad haul. This is what I got. Rate my salad. Well, actually don't, because I feel like people are going to be mean. I love noodles, hence why I got the noodle one. And then that's like a potato chorizo salad, and then a random egg. I got my coffee in Square, and Jordan wanted a Nutella cookie, and I got that as well. Nutella cookie secured. I love going in there and chatting to all the girls. We just have the best conversations. Nutella cookie, Jordan. Thank you very much. We're in the cinema. Oh really? Yeah. So we're like, oh my god, I wonder if they're gonna get him one.
He's gonna be fuming when he realizes that there's some couple of buttons on top. You have to get that as a special.
Oh yeah, you have to add that on. Yeah. We're on our way to see Spider-Man. Oh, by the way, I'm vlogging my weekend. Do you know when I feel like this is such a good little hack? Screen 2. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, I need more. Good morning. I feel like I am all over the place today. It is Sunday of the August bank holiday. It's my sister's birthday, as you've already seen. And I'm about to go to a sauna with Owen. Actually, why am I putting on some cream? I'm about to go to a sauna. Running. This is the swimming togs I'm wearing. A little backless moment. It probably is a bit much for a sauna in leash, but what can we do? Nothing. Owen is on his way to collect me. And yeah, we're gonna go. It's Jordan's 28th birthday today, so she is officially closer in age to me. I love making that joke. We're only like a year and a half apart, which I think is actually so cute. The last time I went to the sauna, I didn't realize you were meant to take off jewelry, and I started to burn because my earrings were in. I don't think I mentioned it in the vlog, but I got my hair cut, and I got kind of like little curtain-esque, well, not curtain bangs. Basically, I want a full fringe, but my hairdresser was like, no, we're gonna do this gradually, which so fair, because if I got a full fringe and then I hated it, what would happen then? We would have had like the crash out of the century. So plan for today, go to the sauna, chill with Owen, go for a coffee somewhere, And then I need to tidy my room because I feel like the last like not the last 2 weeks, the last like week and a half, I've been kind of all over the place and my room has suffered. There's just clothes everywhere. Like things are open, as in like my drawers, my doors. And I'm just like, oh my god, I completely forgot how much easier it is to put on contacts when you have short nails. Slay. I'm ready. I've no shame. This is what my room currently looks like. I had to take out, that's like where I put all of my birthday stuff. I had to take out stuff for Jordan's birthday. My room is a mess. Oh my god, I'm so ashamed. And this is the swimming tog situation. The boob part could probably be bigger, but I just love the back. Okay, this is my final outfit. It's literally not sunny. So the hat and the sunnies are probably a bit of an overkill, but let's go. We're on our way. Owen got me. And we want to play Audrey Hobart. I always say it wrong. Hobart. Sue me, but we're just singing our own version instead because we can't get on. We love her. I feel like if her and Owen were in the same room, people would think they were siblings.
Yeah, it's the hair like a eyebrows.
Okay. Do you not think you look like you're red?
Yeah, because we have the same colour hair and no eyebrows.
Yeah, okay. You just weren't being very shy. You've been shy before I pulled at this.
Yeah, camera shot. I'm flying.
We're just out of the charity shop. I am actually so, I don't know, disenfranchised with how much Sheen shite is in charity shops. So Owen got some good bits that aren't Sheen, obviously. He got these cords.
From Dunn's. I have another pair.
He has another pair.
My dad used to own. They're from the 90s.
Which are very cute and great material. Then a little vintage Speedos.
Swim shorts.
I love the stripe.
They're cool.
We have
They're a cool size.
We have a love-hate with swimming trunks.
Because I buy them and you shrink them.
Owen buys them and I shrink them in the washing machine. But we don't live together anymore, thank God, sissy. And then...
That's cool because like that's the shorts.
Yeah, where are these from?
Don't know.
Eddie Bauer Outdoor Outfitter.
Let's Google and see what, if it's a, like, I wonder is it like a...
100% cotton,
Are they?
made in the Dominican Republic. And that is all, that is our haul. So we were gonna go to stradbally for lunch, but obviously the steam rally's on, so everything's packed. So we're just gonna go around. This is our haul. Yummy! Did you go playing as well?
I got cold chicken.
You got cold chicken? Oh my god. Sacrilegious. There's white chocolate. Okay, this is... Do I need to fix one of my eyebrows? I was about to say, this is my final makeup look. So it's like a cream top that I got in Pennies with like this cute little detail, blue bag, Pennies bracelets, random rings, silver earring. Should I do gold? Okay, yeah. I just did a quick look. I think the gold goes better with the vibes. And that's pretty much it. I'm ready. So I'm gonna go downstairs now and we're gonna go in for dinner. I just kind of kept adding. Oh, these would have been cute as well. Dangle or hoop? Oh my god, I'm changing again. I'm going with dangle. I think the dangly one's really matte. If I could find it. Okay, well, let's go. Here I am. Ignore my mother shouting in the background.
Shouting is not always a problem, Rachel.
Okay. Hello guys, welcome back. It is the bank holiday Monday. I really want this week in work to be like a good week, and I feel like that's gonna start if I organize my bedroom. This is my little outfit for today. I actually love these t-shirts. They're from Aritzia, the Sunday Best part of Aritzia. I got this in, was this in LA or was it in New York? I can't remember, but it's like 4 years old minimum, or maybe 3, and it's such a good t-shirt. Like, it washes so well, it's a lovely soft cotton, it's just so good. And my shorts are from a charity shop, they're USA Pro, and I just think they are so cute. They're the perfect like going on a little walk shorts. So yeah, my family are going to a garden centre, so I have the perfect time to yap and clean my room.
This happen all the time. Jax has lived.
Yes. Where's the jazz flute? I'm an actor. That's a model actor.
Did you into my circle?
Mikey told me last night that we're getting new dressing. I really do.
Hold on 1 second. I'll get you some wine. So.
Pictures with Sheena, the home wrecking whore. Just
Redo. I came down to make myself a coffee, and then I was like, well, I have a tea, but maybe I should have a coffee. There's like certain jobs that like I'm so bad for procrastinating. So like if I know it's like, oh, it's nearly time to like wash my water bottle, which I just dread that as a task, I'll start using a different water bottle. So I'm after washing my water bottle. That's all done now. I brought in the washing from the line. I wasn't planning on doing that because it wasn't my washing, but no one else is here and it's starting to rain, so. Coffee, tea. I don't know. What am I gonna do? Okay, I'm just gonna go with tea. This is Jordan's favorite mug. So half the time when it's gone missing and she's looking for it, it's because it's up in my room. Because again, I forget to bring it down to wash it. Yummy tea. And then I have some chocolate. I feel like I actually am kind of prepared for my new week ahead. My room is fairly organized. After I cleaned the upstairs bathroom and hoovered on Saturday, so that's done, and I have like laundry that I have to bring upstairs. It's on the couch at the moment, so I can bring that up and then I can kind of organize. I feel like half my issue at the moment is I have loads of bottoms, like shorts, trousers, skirts, shorts, and then I don't have enough like tops that like look cute, so I definitely need to get some of those. I was looking on ASOS and I just can't, like, no one's jumping out to me. I have an idea. I want kind of textured tops. See, I want textured, interesting tops, but then I don't want them to be really like trendy so that I never want to wear them again. And I feel like that's half of my issue sometimes. I'm so conscious of like overconsumption of clothes that I have it in my head, I want this type of item, and then I never buy it. And then I just have the same stuff over and over again. Hence why I live in this t-shirt, and to be fair, that's not a bad thing. But it's like 3 years old and I really want more t-shirts like this, but I just can't seem to find any that I like. And I think this color like really suits me. But then I suppose it's kind of hard because I do have a layer of tan on. So chocolate is secured, tea is secured. Gonna go back up and continue watching Vanderpump Rules. I'm nearly finished the second episode, so yeah. I feel like I'm already learning stuff. I'm learning more about Jax, because obviously when I've been watching The Valley, I've only known him in the context of being married to Brittany and their son Cruz. So I've a lot. That was so scary. He obviously heard me talking and jumped up on the window. I'm gonna go get him. This is what just scared me. Say hey to your fans. Hey. Owen loves making him do like 6, 7. Oops. Oh my god, that gave me such a fright. Great, I'm now gonna have to wash all of his bowls, get him milk, get him food. He's staring at me. Perfect. Not like I have a tea to drink. You didn't drink any of your food. I'm getting you milk. Speak. No. Here you go, son. Yummy. Before someone comes for me, he loves milk and he's never had an upset stomach from it, and we keep drinking. He does milk and a bit of water. And if anyone's interested, this is his dry food of choice. And then he just gets a wet pouch. Look at his beard. Say hey. I really like giving him like different sensations. So he has a little bit of wet food, and then he has a full packet of wet food, and then a little bit of dry fruit for crunch. Here. The rest of my afternoon and evening was lovely. I watched more Vanderpump, and then I basically just journaled to plan for my week. I made like a full page of a to-do list of everything I wanted to achieve. I journaled in my feelings journal of what I was grateful for, what I was looking forward to, just because the last few weeks, because I was sick, I was all over the place. Having this like, I don't know, meditative time to think and just focus on what I wanted to do, honestly, it made me end this random Monday on such a good note, and I felt so happy and grateful. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for getting this far, and I hope you enjoyed. Please leave me a comment and we can chat down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.